to KinfolkKari channel, and I love this radio.
No codes, sending on Cougar is the truth. 79 might just take off the roof.
What's the deal, everybody on YouTube, man? It's your boy KinfolkKari coming back at y'all with another banger. As y'all can tell by the time your boy went and broke the bank this weekend, man. I went and spent some money, bro. But just for y'all, bro, to get these videos out to y'all. So, to return the favor, man, go ahead and scroll down, like the video up, sub up, man, hit that notification bell too. But without further ado, man, let's get straight to it. First shoe, man, we got the Jordan 1 prototype. Starting off with the bikes, man, I'm feeling it. I'm liking the bike. You got your cream around the side, orange Nike check, baby blue, royal blue, and you got like that the scissor cut outline. We're gonna get into the shoe. The shoe got that same thing, but I'm liking it. I like when they make the box match the shoe. I think that's real dope. Going to the side label, man, side sticker read Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, colors white, total orange, multi-color, size 11.5. If you don't know already, ones pretty much fit true to size. I wear 11.5. That's what I typically try to get. If I can't get 11.5, man, I'm gonna go with a 12 to put it in perspective for y'all boys. But getting right into the shoe, man. The shoe comes with 4 different lace colors. You got your black, you got your orange, you got your blue, and you got your cream, man. They're white, but it's kind of like it's kind of like a sail white, I'll say that. But if I was to choose out of the 4, I'll say I'll probably be sticking with these black laces. Just because I prefer for the shoes to do most of the talking for me, man. Let me tuck these in here so I can really get a visual. I'd rather let the shoe do the talking, man. There's already enough colors on the shoe for me, in my opinion. I just go ahead and throw the little black laces in there. Unless you find you a dope shirt where you feel like you can pull off the extra loud color. If I was to choose though, I'd say the black, then the white, then the blue, then the orange. It's all based on how you gonna wear these, man, how you gonna rock them. Cause I found a shirt earlier at the mall, my nigga, you feel me? And I was thinking about putting some olive green laces in these. I know it sounds crazy, but if y'all was to see the shirt, fire. Getting right into the shoe, man, starting from the bottom, working our way up. You got your black outsole on the bottom of these things, man, white midsole, suede type of cream color around the toe box. I'm liking that. Suede feel real smooth, back and forth with the finger, don't really change colors. White around the toe cap. You got an orange little smaller Nike check right here. Some people wasn't digging it. I was rocking with it. I don't mind the orange check right there. Got your black swoosh, black heel, reflective going around the side panel. And that reflective silver is also underlaid on the toe cap as well. I think that's a real nice touch they did with that. Then you have an orange lining going around the collar with your baby blue, royal blue underlay on the collar, and your black Air Jordan Wings logo. Dope shoe, I'm feeling this thing, man. I will say the colors is kind of over the place, I'm not gonna lie, but it kind of makes it that much more interesting to try to pull an outfit together with these. You're gonna have to go do some shopping to go find something that matches. I know I had to, but overall I'm liking the shoe. If I was to rate it 1 out of 10, I'd say I'd probably give these things about a 7, man. Retail was like 170. Retail 184 after tax. Most I feel like I'll pay for these things maybe 200, bruh. But resale looking like 255 right now for these things. But my size is like 250, 255. A little steep for me, for the people who are looking to get them in. I say just wait a few weeks. Typically, the resale is pretty high because the shoe just came out. The hype is still there, but this isn't really a coveted colorway, you know what I mean? So once the hype died down, I'm pretty sure the resale will too. So just give it a few weeks. I'm pretty sure we'll probably see it drop down to probably about 230. And I'd say that's when you pull your trigger. But without further ado, let's get into that on feet. Yes, sir. But wait, there's more. It's not over with yet, man. Boy went and copped the Oreo Jordan 5s as well, man. Yes. Just for y'all, bruh. Starting off with the box, you got your black box with that white Jumpman on top of their black and white speckles. And just like I said with these, I love when they make the box correlate with the shoe. Jumping into these things, bruh. Here they go. These things so fire. Make you want to keep them on ice, bruh. These things are heat, bruh. Heat. So I almost passed on these things, man. I did a poll on the IG to choose between the two because I was not finna get both. I was finna get either or. But man, the poll ended up being 50-50. I was like, dang, man, y'all think it's trash. Poll ended up being 50-50, bro. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna just have to decide between the two myself. But man, I was looking at both of them, bro, and I was like, man, they both hard. For real, because I've been one of these since I was in the 8th grade, bro. True story. When I first moved to Texas, man, I seen this chick with them on. She wore them one day. I was like, what is, damn. I didn't really know too much about shoes, you know what I mean, back then. I was just now getting into it. But man, she wore these one day, bro. Every time she wore them, I'd be looking at them like, damn, I need them. And bro, when I found out that they was coming out again, I said, bro, I gotta cop them, but I almost talked myself out of them. I'm glad I didn't though. Dope shoe, bro. I would have been hot at myself Sunday, bro, if I didn't cop these things. Starting from the bottom, got your icy blue outsole, that black Jumpman that you can see right through it. White midsole, black shark teeth with the white speckles, with your black suede going all across this thing. It's a real decent material suede, man. I'm not mad at it. In hand though, I even asked the homie, I was like, bro, am I tripping? I don't know if it's just my pair, but around the ankle and on like the side panel, on my pair, it looked like two different blacks, you know what I mean, in person. Not gonna cap. That right there kind of threw me off because I'm like, why is it two different blacks, bro? But it's nothing crazy though. Unless you just really looking at your shoe like I be doing. I be looking for stuff messed up, you know what I mean? It's a $200 shoe, it better not be nothing messed up. I'm not nitpicking, but I am. Got your white Jumpman on the back of the heel, translucent webbing on the side, on the tongue, man. Clear lace lock, gray Jumpman on top of this thing, man. White lining inside, black insole with the white Jumpman. Super dope shoe, man. Ain't really much to talk about with this shoe. Black and white Jordan 5, the Oreos. Now, what I don't understand is why they changed it to Moonlight. Don't understand it. Maybe some copyright stuff. Oreo, they probably didn't want to get sued, but to the culture, these forever be the Oreos. If I had to choose out of the two, which one was the best drop for the weekend, I might have to say these 5s, bro. I'm not gonna lie, man. After seeing them in hand and having them for a little bit, bro, these 5s are hard, man. And that might just be because, bro, I've been wanting them for so long. Finally got my hands on them. It's crazy. But yeah, bro, let's get into this on feet. Yes, sir, man. So super dope shoe. Rocking with them both. Y'all let me know down there in the comments which one y'all rocking with. The 5s or the 1s. Which laces would y'all rock with them? The red, orange, blue, white. But without further ado, man, it's KinfolkKari. Till next time, like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, man. All of that. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me to the end of the video, man. I'm out.